بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. We want to talk about Safe Home Academy. What is it? As explained in the video in the YouTube channel MCH Smart. There is video there, flashes the word like safe, S for what, A for what. So the important, okay, S for smart. Okay, so it is smart. Smart is the curriculum, so it is like Safe Home Academy. So it's academy. The S is the curriculum, the 5 subject, which is smart. Smart is 5 subject. It is explained. The important that I'm going to talk about is the A. So safe, S is the curriculum, 5 subject, which is explained: science, math, art, reading, technology, or retain technology, whatever. It is there, it is explained, the curriculum. So the curriculum is 5 subject. Okay, now we talk about the A. The A is apprentice. This is new in the function of the academy. It means that our academy, or Safe Home Academy, there is no academy because of the A. It is like new business. So it is different from any other academy. In what? Because any academy, they don't guarantee work for you, and this guarantee work for you. Like this academy, you want to take MBA, you have to finish 2 years. If you have MBA from other, you have to finish 1 year. So there is adjustment for any MBA that he got to take 1 year in order to work in the academy. The work is teaching. It's like any other university. Any university, when you finish master, you go to PhD. When you finish PhD, you start to be in the staff. So the work is in the staff. How many staff we need? 10,000. Okay, now I explain the what they call it, the level of teaching. Apprentice, let's understand apprentice. Apprentice, it means training, but not training like other training, because other training, the institute train you and then give you certificate, and you will not work in the institute. But this one, training while you are working. So like you are hired, train. Anybody hired in any company, he needs training. In the beginning, the company said, okay, I give him this 3 months training. They give him job, but under training. Apprentice, Aramco started apprentice as a big company for engineers. Before they start the apprentice, the engineer is hired as engineer 4 or so, the level. Then he will go, in the system. After 2 years, 3 years, maybe he promoted to engineer 3, whatever. But they start the apprentice, they said, listen, to the new engineer under the apprenticeship. No, you are not, for 3 years you are not employee. You will not have your promotion, your merit increase. There is no merit increase. You are under training. But you are permanent, like others. So you are 3 years under training program. After that, we shift you from under training to official engineer. So like this 3 years, like probation. You are under training. If you don't fulfill the program, your program, the training, they can send you any place. You cannot say, I'm employee, I'm in Jeddah, I don't want to go other place. No. Under training, you have to follow. It's like orientation, 3 years. In any department. You are not belong to any department until finish the 3 years. Anybody can borrow you. Or the program maybe move you to 10 departments. So you cannot say anything. This is apprenticeship. So it is training on job. So you are hired like scholarship. You are hired, okay? If any university give you scholarship, okay, to be PhD. So you just finish, then they give you scholarship, then you teach. Okay, let us explain the difference of the academy when the postdoctor and the professor or this. So our academy is MBA academy. Doesn't have associate, and whoever give the or the jury to give the MBA, and then the MBA is thesis. No hours. So it's all case studies and thesis. At the end of the year, okay, so it's a case. Every quarter you submit, okay. If you have MBA, you take 1 year, you finish. If you don't have MBA, you take 2 years, you finish. But you are like hired, like on a scholarship. Instead of cost 20,000, it will cost 10,000. 50%. Then you are hired. Instead of taking $1,000, you take $500 for working 4 hours, and in your case. So when you start studying the MBA in our academy, and it is implementation. All the cases, all the study, it will be in your field. So the first quarter you select your field. Is it in manufacturing? Is it in marketing? Is it like this? We have like 25 fields. Is it in green building? Is it in buildings? Is it in engineering? Is it in dealership? Is it in technology? Is it in technology transfer? Is it in manufacturing of recycle, of production of water, production of air quality, of like this. So we have water, air, and agriculture, and construction, buildings, green buildings, engineering, medical service. So all these things our academy in. So simply we have 8 fields mainly. Then 2 fields is the education, and so field of water, field of air, field of food, which is consumable, and field of agriculture. Then the implementation or field of wearing or dressing or garment. Sorry. So the source is 4. Then the implementation, we have factory and construction, another 4. So 4 and 4. Construction and transportation, and also communication. Then we have medical service and we have education service. So it's like 10. Okay, this is enough. This video is long now.